Let's use the social planner to push out a reel to multiple platforms. I'm inside of the HighLevel app. This calendar here shows what we have scheduled. This button up here is your filter, and you can look at what it's showing on the screen so you can be sure you're filtered correctly. When you're ready to post, you can hit the plus button down here. Choose which accounts you want it to post to. If you have things in groups, you can choose that. Then choose create, the top. Customize your post, so you want to put the description, and it's got exclamation marks because this does need to be a video, because this is, sorry about that, this is a TikTok, so it's going to record video, require video. Media library, media, I want to pull from my, by the way, if you didn't just notice that, media storage, this pulled my Google Drive because my Google Drive is connected. But I actually want media to pull from my phone. It could pull from my files too. So it's going to be this one. And so now we want to look at post options. Customized post would mean it's different captions for each platform, but I'm going to use the same one. Follow-up comment, I'm going to go over to my GPT. Then for Facebook, I want it to be a reel. Instagram, a reel. YouTube, a short, which means it'll need a title. So I already got that. Oops, back down to YouTube. Okay, and TikTok options, we want to look at those. YouTube, public, yes. TikTok, who can view it? Anyone. Allow them to comment, duet, and stitch, and then be sure to click apply in the top right. And then if you want to look at any advanced settings, you can. That would allow you to put this video into a category or add tags, optimize the media, and then after that, you're ready to schedule it. Now it is going to come through with the comment already posted. I'm not putting it on LinkedIn just because it's not LinkedIn type content. So let's post it and go take a look. Here, by the way, this is where if you don't want it to post right now, right, you can post now. You can save it for later, like drafts. You can schedule it for the future. If you're working with a team or you're doing content for someone else, you can send it out for their approval. If you want this one to post again, which why not? Let's go ahead and schedule it. Let's repeat it every 6 months. Sure, that sounds great to me. Okay, fine. Start date, and then every 6 months, and schedule. Okay, recurring post scheduled. So now what we can look at is there's a dot, right? And so that means there is content on that day. So if I choose the dot, I can see what content is on that day. I can see that it is a recurring schedule post. It is going to post in 10 minutes from now, and then it is also a recurring post, okay? If I want to edit anything, I can click those dots. I can view it. I can clone it. So if I view, you can see all the different platforms it's going to. You can see what it's going to look like.
She was never prepared for half of what...
Now I don't know why I sent it to TikTok.
She was never prepared for half of what she went through.
Oh, well. Okay, so that's it, really. I think this is really, really cool. If you don't know we have it, it is free. It is included. You do need to have the HighLevel app, okay? So it is this app right here, HighLevel, and you log into it with your exact same credentials as when you go to the desktop version of the Strategy Studio, and that is normally we go to app.strategystudio.tech, but the app is the HighLevel app. It has all kinds of stuff you can do in here. Okay, that's it.